There are about 7-8 localities here. So there is shortage of rice and shortage of eating materials. I think we should contact all the development committees in this area. ADCs, you put them on board, all the development committees, and we should distribute according to the list that they give. We'll give a bit of rice to everybody. This will be done ASAP because the areas affected is not much. It's only this Araimel area mainly. But then we'll expand it to other areas also. But as of now, it is Araimel area.